Welcome to Katylinks, your go-to source for Odoo training. I'm Melissa, and in this short video, we'll explore the customer smart buttons in Odoo 19, what they represent, how to use them, and how they give you a quick overview of all customer activities. What are smart buttons? Smart buttons are the small icons that appear at the top of your customer record, right under the customer name. They provide real-time shortcuts to every key transaction and activity linked to that customer, from sales and invoices to meetings and documents. Green, why are they important? Because they give you an instant 360-degree snapshot of your customer's relationship with your business, without having to open multiple menus or reports. In one glance, you can see sales performance, outstanding invoices, meeting history, and more. Who uses them? These buttons are used daily by sales teams, accounting staff, project managers, and CRM users to stay on top of client interactions and financials. Where do you find them? Go to Sales, Customers, select a record, and you'll see these smart buttons displayed across the top. When should you use them? Anytime you need to. Track customer activity, view pending invoices or sales, follow up on meetings, or access attached documents. How do they help? They act as live dashboards within each customer record, automatically updating as transactions occur across different Odoo apps. Let's explore what each button means. Opportunities. This button links to the CRM module. It shows how many sales opportunities are currently active for this customer. Clicking it opens the full list of deals in progress, along with expected revenue, sales stage, and probability of closing. Perfect for tracking your sales pipeline directly from the customer profile. Sales shows the total number of confirmed sales orders linked to this customer. Click to view individual orders, delivery status, and invoice progress. If you're in the sales module, this is one of your most used shortcuts. Invoiced displays the total invoiced amount, both paid and unpaid. When you click it, you'll see a detailed list of all invoices, including their status, draft, posted, or paid. You can also create a credit memo directly from here if a refund or correction is needed. Meetings shows the number of scheduled meetings or calendar events related to this customer. Tasks displays any project or to-do tasks linked to this customer. It connects with the Projects or Services app, allowing you to track progress on client-specific work. Purchases. This appears if the customer also acts as a vendor. It links to all purchase orders made to that same contact, giving you a complete picture of two-way transactions. Documents shows all attached files, such as contracts, quotes, or correspondence. If you're using the Documents app, this acts like a mini Google Drive for that customer. You can upload PDFs, images, or Excel sheets directly from here. Go to Website. If your website or e-commerce is connected, this button takes you to the customer's public profile on your site. It's especially useful for B2B clients or portal users who have self-service access. It also lets you set vendor information if the customer is also a supplier. Help Desk Smart Button. You'll also see a Help Desk Smart Button if the Help Desk app is installed. Click it to view all tickets linked to this customer, open, in progress, or solved, along with the assigned team, priority, and SLA due dates. This gives sales and accounting full context before issuing refunds or credit notes. Create a ticket from the customer. From the customer record, click New Arrow Help Desk Ticket. Add a subject, select the Help Desk team, set priority, attach files, and link the relevant sales order or invoice. Save to create the ticket. Convert tickets to actions. From the ticket you can schedule a meeting, calendar, create a task, projects, for longer work. Issue a credit note if the resolution requires a refund. Invoice time materials when using billable support.
And that's how you explore the customer record and smart buttons in Odoo 19. Let's recap what we learned, reviewed the customer's core information tabs, understood how to read key smart button data for transactions and communication, learned how Odoo links sales, projects, invoices, and website data into one central record. The customer record in Odoo 19 gives you a complete overview of every client, making your CRM, sales, and accounting processes more efficient and connected. If you'd like expert help setting up your Odoo customer management or accounting systems, visit Katylinks.com. We'll help you configure automation, reports, and customer dashboards that simplify your daily work. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Katylinks for more Odoo 19 tutorials on accounting, inventory, manufacturing, and CRM automation.